Hey guys, welcome to another video here at STI Liz. Thank you for all the support. I genuinely appreciate it. Sorry that I didn't get a chance to post last week. I have been going through a couple things. I did get state repped a couple weeks ago. I know it sucks, but it's a whole long story. If you guys are interested and want to hear me explain everything that happened, leave a comment down below and I'll include it in my next video. But in other news, I do have another install video for you guys today. And I'm super excited to be putting this onto my car. I can't wait. It's actually in this box right here. And I did get this package from Rally Sport Direct, so shout out to them. I'm super excited to be throwing it on. And don't forget to use my code STI Liz for 10% off of your next purchase. There are some exclusions that may apply though, so be aware of that. However, I am gonna go ahead and open this up so you guys can see what it is that I will be installing. It is going to be an interior mod, so I'll leave you with that. But yeah, I'm super excited and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I got a steering wheel. Let me go ahead and open it up so I can show you guys which one I actually got. So this is the steering wheel that I got. It's the Faction Fab steering wheel. It's the one with the carbon and the suede. It is gorgeous. It still has the wrapping on it. So this is it. It is beautiful. I can't wait to throw it on. So yeah. Alrighty, so it's time to install the steering wheel. So first things first, you're gonna wanna unplug your battery because you are gonna be messing around with your airbag and you don't want that to explode on you. And then you also wanna make sure that your steering wheel is in the straight position because then if you install it and if it's not straight, then your steering wheel is gonna be crooked. So make sure you do those two things first. First, we need to remove our steering wheel, but we do have to disconnect our airbag. So in order to get access to that, there is 3 little holes under your steering wheel. There's like a little clip in there, so I'm just gonna use a flathead to try to release it. After a few tries, I was able to release the airbag, but here it is, released. I'm just gonna pull this out like this. We do have to unclip these. I believe this is for your horn, so we need to unclip this one too. So let me start by removing this one. This clip here is the one that you're trying to get to and you're gonna move it this way. That's the one that you're doing from the outside. So when you go through here, you gotta hit it at this angle. That way you push it this way, like that. So you release it. So it's a kind of weird angle. That's why it took me a few minutes to do it. And doing the other side was also hard because I didn't have a good angle. But I did it, so let's move on. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the center nut right here, but I'm not gonna remove it completely. You wanna still leave it on there. Just make it loose enough for you to actually be able to pull out your steering wheel because you don't wanna hit yourself by like pulling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. and now it's all complete. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the car and see how it looks all together with my airbag. Alrighty guys, so this is the final product. This is the steering wheel now that it's on. I absolutely love it. It's been a couple days and I've loved it so much. The Alcantara feels so nice, and it has like a little indentation right here for your finger. It's a perfect spot, and the carbon fiber, it's so smooth, it's so nice. I love it overall. Alrighty, so this concludes my video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And a special shout out to Rally Sport Direct for the steering wheel. I am in love with it. Thank you so much. And for all you viewers, don't forget to use my code STI Liz when you purchase anything off of Rally Sport Direct. However, some exclusions may apply. But yeah, I just want to say thank you once again, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at STI Liz, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!